Hey guys, welcome back again. It's me, Blessing. If you are new here, I say hi. You are highly welcome. So if you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. In today's class, we'll be making this kind of sleeve. If you're interested, keep on watching and let's go. With me here is an akara. This akara is what I will be using for the sleeve, and for the width of this fabric I will be making use of 12 inches for the width, as you can see, and also 12 inches for the length. So guys, the next thing I will be doing is to come over to this top part here, which is the width. Then I will mark 3.5 inches for now, but I later add 1/2 inch to it, making it 4 inches. Okay, you can still use 3.5 if you want, but I first of all mark 3.5, but I later add 1/2 inch, just like the way I said before. So now, after marking my 3.5 inches, I will just go ahead to connect it like this, connect it to the edge like this. Okay, like so. After connecting it, we just go ahead to trace out the remaining parts that we did not want. Just watch me carefully. I will just go ahead to cut it out like so. So this is how it is. I notice it's not too deep enough. Like I said before, I will add 1/2 inch to this other part here. Okay, so I'm trying to cross check it if this part is really okay for me. So I notice it's not deep enough for me, so that the cloth will come out very well. So now I will fold it back and I will trim the armhole. Okay, so guys, this is me marking the 1/2 inch again. I mark an 1/2 inch again, just the way I said before, and I will reconnect it to the armhole to the other side like so. So I will trim the armhole so that the cloth will come out very well. So guys, like I said, you can still use 3.5 inches if that is okay by you, but I just said to add 1/2 inch to it, making it 4 inches. Okay, so guys, this is me just trimming this armhole part like so. So basically that is it. So the next step is to just open it up like this. Okay, to crochet the armhole area, and I'm good to go like this. Okay, now the next step is to bring out my lining, and I will use this fabric to trace out the lining. So guys, like I said, this is what it means. I've traced out my lining, and I ensured that the lining is shorter by 1/2 inch. You can as well make it shorter by 1 inches. I'll go ahead to use my collar stitch to gum on the main fabric, just the main fabric. I will use the shiny parts. Okay, you can see that some part has shiny part. This part is what you will use to glue to your wrong side of your fabric. Okay, ensure that is the wrong side that you will iron the collar stitch to. Okay, so I will just quickly go and come back to show you how it looks like. So guys, here it comes. I've add my collar stitch to my main fabric, just like the way I said. Please avoid the 1/2 inches, please. Like the collar stitch, ensure that you leave about 1/2 inches for stitching allowance for the down part like this. Okay, and also to the lining as well, so that you can able to stitch it now. So I will bring the lining, turn the right side of the fabric, and I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll use 1/2 inch to sew them together. So guys, you can see I have joined them together like this, and this is how it looks like. You can see that the stitching does not get to the collar stay. So now the next step is to fold these two together like this, lining meeting lining and fabric meeting fabric. Then I will take it to my sewing machine. I use half an inch to run it together like this. Okay, so guys, I've done stitching my fabric and my lining together like this. So I'll just go ahead to turn it over like so. So guys, the reason why we join our sleeve like this is for us to have a neat finishing. Okay, so just carefully turn it over like this. You can see the seam area very neat, and just go ahead after turning, go ahead to just iron your work and it will come out very neat for you. And you can see the end of it. You can see that you will not see the lining through the right side. That is the reason why we deducted half an inch from the lining, for us to have neat finishing at that part also. So this is me trying to turn it to the right side. You can see that the lining, you barely see the lining, you cannot see the lining because we deducted half an inch from the lining, so it cannot be popping out. Okay, so just go ahead to take it to your table, ironing table, iron it and touch stitch on this upper parts here. Just hold the lining and the fabric together and give it a very good press. So guys, you can see I have ironed it and I have touch stitched the lining and the fabric together at the armhole side. So the next step you will be doing is just to measure your armhole, and you can see the inside. Okay, it's looking very pretty and neat inside. So guys, in the next step, you can see I have also to stitch the upper part like this. So the next step is to just measure your armhole, and after measuring your armhole, first of all you will notch the middle part after measuring your armhole, and you go ahead to plait the remaining part. Okay, just plait it at the notch there, which is the middle side. Go ahead to plait it at, and let me just go and do it and I will show you how it comes out. So here it comes. I've plaited it and I've sewed it. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a beautiful video and interesting video, you get notified. This is the final look of this sleeve. You can see the inside and the outside is very beautiful. You can see the cloth. You can just go ahead to attach it to your dress and it will come out very beautiful as well. Try this and give us the feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.